Welcome to Becky Cooks. So in today's recipe, stick along and let's make this yummy goodness together. First of all, you are adding in half cup of icing sugar, then 200 grams of margarine. If you have this simmered butter, put them, but don't put all, let it remain a little. Then mix that together to combine. It's well combined at this stage. Then you add in a little bit of vanilla flavor and industrial milk flavor. So today we are making marble cookies, butter cookies. So I just added a pinch of salt, and then I added in the all-purpose flour, which is 2 cups, and then 2 tablespoons of powdered milk. I don't know whether each day I bake or make new recipes, they are always topping the charts, like always topping. Oh God. Just stick around and see the end of this video to understand what I'm saying. So at this point, I'm adding in 1 egg. I just whisk that up, and then it's time to combine. So combine with your hands and to form a dough. So you can see the texture now. Just follow this recipe exactly and you'll get the same result. So I added in 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder and I'm mixing this together to combine. So I just drizzle a little bit of vegetable oil to aid it to combine properly. Just keep mixing until you get this color and everything is well incorporated. And this is what we have. So this is the plain one, butter cookies, and this is the chocolate one. So to our work surface, we are going to be cutting off parchment paper. So you need parchment paper to make this recipe for it to come out exactly. So they sell it in baking shops. Just ask them for parchment paper, and then you are going to roll this. So as you are rolling, you don't roll just like as I'm doing. That's how you are going to do it also, so that the paper doesn't fold. So you just roll with one hand and use the other hand to keep it firm so it doesn't roll with the paper until it's well stretched before you do it properly. So you roll that out until it's flat, and then you come again and add the chocolate one and roll over again. Without this parchment paper, rolling it is going to be extremely difficult, so you have to get parchment paper to make it easier. So at this point, I'm going to fold it over and roll again, so I get my marble effect. So it's as if you are stretching it out. So you stretch it out And we have our beautiful marble. So it's time to cut. Use your desired cookie cutters and cut out. This was so fun to make actually. So thank you all for sticking by me. And today is day 18, guys. Oh, I'm so happy. Day 18. Seven days to Christmas. Exactly 7 days more to Christmas Day. I'm so happy. So just pull that and you can see how it looks like. Very beautiful. But it's going to be more beautiful when they are baked. So wait for the big reveal. So to the other ones, the trick is not to combine, just gather them together and use your parchment paper to cover it and roll out so you retain the marble effect, just like as I'm doing. Roll out, and when you take off the parchment paper, you still have your marble effect on your cookies. You can see, and it's time to cut. So continue with the process until you exhaust all your dough. So it's time to go into the preheated oven for about 35 to 40 minutes on low heat. And here we are. Our marble cookies are ready. They are ready. I baked some in my pot as usual. I've showed that before in my previous video because the whole cookies couldn't contain the baking sheet and I don't want to wait for the next batch, so I had to bake that in my pot. So this is what we have, looking so fresh, looking so perfect. I couldn't believe I made this. So perfect, so tasty. Taste was balanced, flavor balanced, everything check. You have to give this a try to understand what I'm saying. Like, I'm just raising the bar for myself. Like, every day we are raising the bar higher and higher. I'm so happy and delighted to have made this yummy marble butter cookies. The taste was perfect, irresistible, and perfect to entertain your guests, for your kids. Even when they are resuming to school, this is a very perfect cookies you can make for your kids' lunchbox. And I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.